She is having a complete emotional breakdown in her car right now. But the reason why is actually hilarious. And before you see how bad she feels, skip this video if you don't care. But if you do, hit like and subscribe. She honked at a driver who cut her off, but when she looked over, she saw an elderly man on oxygen. The instant guilt completely crushed her. Now she feels like the worst person on earth and her entire day is ruined.
I feel like such a bad person. That just ruined my day, by the way.